Hi everyone, it's Kate. I haven't made a YouTube video in a while, so I'm excited about this one. Tonight I'm throwing my Friendsgiving Bumble event. I now work for Bumble, so I'm gonna do a fun look inspired by Bumble and all of our colors for our marketing. So I'm gonna start with my eyes first because we're gonna do a lot with them, and then I will get into the rest. So first, for the primer on my eyes that we're gonna do today, I'm just gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in let's use light sand. Light sand. And light sand. I'm just gonna put it all around my eye. And then I'm going to start with this new palette I got. It's Tartelette. It is the matte palette, so pretty, really nice matte colors. So first I'm just gonna go in on the whole crease and lid, and I'm gonna go in with Wanderer. So I put Wanderer all over my lid pretty much and all the way up into my crease. And now I'm gonna switch over to my Subculture palette. So our two main colors for Bumble are kind of obviously yellow, which everyone knows, Bumblebees. And then the other one is sort of this like cool turquoise color. So I thought the Subculture palette would be perfect for this. We have sort of like an orangey yellow here. And we have a bright yellow. And then we have more of a blue tone turquoise and more of a, or I'm sorry, this is the green toned turquoise right here. And then this is the blue toned turquoise. So I'm gonna play with those today and maybe a little bit of this guy. And then to blend that out, I'm just gonna go back in with the Tarte light color and Wanderer and sort of just blend all of that back out. And then I'm gonna go back in and put some concealer where I'm gonna put more of a metallic-y color. So that way it really pops. We're gonna go in with that where I just put all my concealer. And I'm just honestly gonna use my finger. And then I'll blend it out again. Okay, and now I'm gonna get into the fun part. I'm gonna get into some of the yellow. And that is called Edge. So I'm gonna use the bright yellow rather than like the orangey. Okay, and then again back in with that big brush from the beginning. I'm just gonna make sure everything is blended nice and smooth. And then I'm gonna come back to the eyes after I've done some foundation and stuff, and I'm gonna go under the eye with this cool yellow color. So for the face, I always make sure to prime very well. I find that is the secret trick to getting my makeup to stay and also look as well as I can get it to look. So as always, Murad Oil Control Mattifier lotion. Lotion is super important for the base of my foundation because I tend to run oily, but when I try to take all the oil off my face, I get really crackly and dry, and my makeup kind of like gets those lines in it. So this is a mattifying lotion, so it's going to help stop any of my pores from like seeping a lot of oil, but it's also going to moisturize at the same time. So this is like a key part of my makeup routine. It's by Murad, you guys, my favorite skincare line. And then on top of that, I'm gonna go in with a real primer. It's just Step 1 by Makeup Forever. My favorite. This is the little guy. And then last but not least for priming, I always use the FARSÁli Rose Gold Elixir Oil. I use this in all my videos. It's my favorite. Now the priming's done. Now I'm going to get into some color correcting. And some of you know I'm pregnant right now, so I'm getting some crazy hormonal pregnancy acne. This is almost like eczema. It's like dry skin kinda. It like never goes away anymore. So it is what it is. Having a baby, you gotta deal with it. So I normally from day to day just like don't even worry about it because I really honestly don't care. But especially for when I do makeup looks, I'm using color corrector. So I'm just using like an orangey base to cover any dark spots, and I find it covers my red spots too. A lot of beauty bloggers use like green for this, but I find this works just fine. So like I really don't hold back with this stuff at all. Any little blemish on my face, it is going to be covered by this guy, including my under eyes. Because I don't know how many of you have had kids or been pregnant. The exhaustion is so real. Especially if you still work and have to get up early and teach fitness classes at 5:30 in the morning. As you can see, I have a lot of hormonal acne right now. It's just wonderful. One of the many beautiful experiences happening in my life right now. I'm gonna go in with both Huda Beauty colors that I own. One's lighter, one's darker. I always mix based on what color I am at the moment. So I'm pretty light right now, Latte and Tres Leches. So I'm only gonna use a little bit of Tres Leches on the places where I want to contour. This is how I always kind of do it. And then I'm gonna go in the rest of my face with this guy. Yeah, I'm just using the end of a brush, to be honest. All right. So now I look insane, but blank face, and we are ready to work. So next, go in with Shape Tape again in the color Light. Concealer is my best friend right now. It always is, but and then for some contour, I'm going in with Fenty Beauty Matchstick and Walnut. Just in all the places that I want to look like I have definition with my fat swollen face right now. And then to blend that out, I'm gonna use a Tarte brush that I got in, I think, my FabFitFun box, and I love it. It is perfect for blending contour. So as always, Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. And now for the brows, one of my favorite parts. So I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in Taupe. So filled in, pretty simple. And then I just go back over it with the gel. And I actually do use a color here. A lot of people use clear, but this helps it just look a little more natural, like the actual color of my hair, especially in front. It makes the real hairs pop out. So for the under eye, I'm going to use my small little brush again, and I'm going to use Edge, that yellow color. And I'm going to go in with the big brush in the beginning and blend that out. Alright guys, sorry I had to take a break from filming because my camera died, so I did my hair in the midst of that. Tried something new, so if you do want to see this tutorial of how I got my hair, definitely leave a comment down below. I will try to do that. And so we're going to get back into my face. Next, we're just going to go with an all-around matte powder. It's Laura Mercier Smooth Finish Foundation Powder number 12. Going in with the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil, just where I really want to define the bronzed areas, like my cheekbones. So I'm just using the Anastasia contour palette, the lighter one, and going in with the coolest color they have. I don't like the warm stuff. You can like really notice contour when you use warm colors. And then I'm so excited to use this next product, you guys. It is the Natural Face by Too Faced blush palette. It is so heavy. The packaging is so pretty. Look how gorge. It's so pretty. Aww. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Trop It Like It's Hot. It's a deep rose with some shimmer. Oh wow. Pigmented as fuck. I'm gonna just go all the way in to my cheekbone. Guys, look at this. I have to blend this out. I didn't know it was this pigmented. I just use NYX matte spray. And then I really want to glow tonight, so I'm gonna use the Kylie Wet Set. It's like pressed powder. It almost feels wet, but it's not. Now using the new Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Well, it might not be new, but it's a new one. And now for the lashes. Someone's knocking on my door. Hopefully it's mail. I love mail. I'm gonna use my new lashes I bought. I bought a lot of shit recently. House of Lashes. Nice, pretty, and Valentina. And I'm using Huda Beauty Lash Glue. I always use Huda. I find that it sticks without ripping my eyelashes out. If I accidentally put my lashes on my real lashes, which newsflash, you're actually not supposed to do. I didn't know that until like a year ago, to be honest with you. Alrighty, so the lashes are on. They're done. Obsessed. And then I'm actually going to use one of my Huda Beauty lips. Alright guys, so that is the look. I use Kylie Air Metallic Matte on top of the Huda Beauty. I love this look. It makes my eyes pop. If you like, make sure you subscribe, comment. Thanks for supporting me. Love you all. Fuck up a check in Javinci. Also the coupe and them inches. I fuck up a bag at the Fendi. I fuck up a bag in a minute. Who you know drip like this? Who you know build like this? I pop a shit like a dude.